We set the record straight for a minute. Hate, I get it, say it with them. I don't give a I'm cool with it. Play and peep the fans with them. Yeah, they gon' remember mine. Yeah, you are not it already. He an outlaw, getting off when he calls envy. Hit the peanut gallery, they all jealous. Yeah, they gon' remember mine. Yeah, we let them say what they gon' say about us. That ain't nothing, I ain't bothered, not a problem. Haters hate, know that they ain't dollar. Keep your money ready, have you pay the homage. Delay the profit, we gon' freeway on it. Yeah, no real one, not the copper. If you need reminding, holla at your Siri, ask who I'm. You can find them on the app. Yeah, they call me Peaky Blinders. You bet your bottom dollar, I'm a classic. 64 Impala, me, I been the plug. Plead a bitch when the name that get brought up. Real legend never die. Still with the business, you should probably let it lie. Side 4 and 9, that's Korea suicide. Tell her one time, forever in my prime. They remember my name. Yeah, they gon' remember my. Yeah, I've been making y'all believe they remember my name. We ain't not the same, no. Real same thing, but I ain't gon' change. So remember my name. Now I was born of the fire, sworn to a higher code. Get light 'em up, lit, fit out the entire go. We gon' level up, corner office the entire flow. Put the B of A on wheels, I ain't do anything on a lighter note. Yeah, hit on brass tacks, fact is kinda dope. Serving people like the corner stove. You could call me butter, kinda feel like I've been on a roll. Party never over, how the model still go. They remember my name. Yeah, they gon' remember my name. Remember my name. We ain't not the same, no. Real same thing, but I ain't gon' change. So remember my name. Yeah. Real legend never die. Still with the business, you should probably let it lie. Side 4 and 9, that's Korea suicide. Tell her one time, forever in my prime. They remember mine. Real legend never die. Still with the business, you should probably let it lie. Side 4 and 9, that's Korea suicide. Tell her